so y'all need to remember your C and S, right? S is for supplementary, and it's got two curves in there, so it's kind of like two 90s, right? So supplementary stands for 180, right? Okay, my computer's glitching. Thanks a lot, computer. And complementary is only 1C, so it's 90, right? Remember that? And you need to, what else do you need to remember? You need to remember the names of the triangles. You need to remember that these all add up to a straight line, 180. You need to remember that some of these shapes are bigger than the other ones for scale factor. And you need to know how to write an equation, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So, getting started, our first guest is from Guatemala. His name is Captain Guatemala.
Yeah!
What's that? What did you do?
Shut up, Mom.
Stop assisting. Resisting? Oh,
What's that supposed to hint to, McRae?
I don't know what that means. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay, how do we do number one, sir?
First we do 180 minus 141.
Mm-hmm. Which makes?
39, yeah.
Yeah, 39. Okay, so that's your answer. Very good. And what are these angles called?
Supplementary.
Yeah, that's right. Adding up to 180 is supplementary. You need to know that. All right, let's hear it for Captain Guatemala. Okay, and now the Paladin. Where are you coming from, Paladin? I don't know. Okay. Number two.
Let's go, Paladin.
So it's 90 minus 53.
Mm-hmm, that's right. And how did you know that it was 90 minus 53?
Because it's complementary.
Because it's complementary, and you can see this 90-degree angle right here, right? So we're going to write that down. Complementary. Complementary. Okay, let's hear it for Paladin. Yeah! And let's welcome Hello Kitty. All right.
Let's go!
Now, when the person goes up, the next person needs to be waiting behind them. So we're not waiting.
Wait, what?
The person that's next needs to be waiting behind that person.
Yeah, Dad.
All right, so can you tell us the names of these? Wait, oh no, you're doing number three. Okay, number three, go ahead.
Yeah.
It's vertical. So
Oh, I pushed the wrong button, sorry. Wrong button.
Great job, Mr. Pass.
Thanks a lot. Okay, go ahead.
It's vertical, so it's the same thing.
Vertical, so that means that this angle is?
The same.
Oh boy, that's not working either. It's what?
The same.
I couldn't hear you.
The same.
Which is?
82.
Yeah, 82 degrees. Very good. All right, let's hear it for Hello Kitty. Now we got cereal coming up. Cereal, all the way from the kitchen table. Okay, cereal. Help us out on these triangle names.
The first one is an acute because there's no.
First one is acute. I agree with that. And why is it acute?
There's no right angle square.
There's no right angle or big angle. All three are acute.
And it's scaling because all the lines aren't the same.
Say it again.
It's scaling because all the lines aren't the same.
That's right. Every line is different. That might be what the right way to say it. Okay, and go ahead. Next one.
The next one is obtuse because it has a big angle.
Yeah, big angle. Okay.
And it's
Obtuse. So this is the big angle down here, right? Everybody see that? Mm-hmm. Okay,
it's an isosceles because only two of them are the same length.
Correct. Now, how do you know that two of those sides are the same?
Because there's two lines that are the same.
Because two lines have that little mark, and that means
Yeah.
the same. Good job. What about number 6?
It's a right angle because of the square.
Because of the square, that's right. Right triangle.
And it's an equilateral because all of them are the same.
Mm-mm. No, it only has two the same here. See, if it had
so it's
if it had a mark there, then you've been right. But no.
So
it's
isosceles.
isosceles. Correct. All right, let's hear it for cereal. Now we got pizza from Costco. Yummy. Everybody's writing. Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
So if you want to find B, we have to take the two numbers and add them together.
That is correct. So
95 plus 54 equals 149.
95 plus 54 equals 149. Good.
Then you subtract, and you take 180
Mm-hmm.
and subtract 149 by.
Right, to find out what's left over.
B equals 100. No, B equals 31.
There you go. All right, 31. Y'all got the same answer? Okay, now there's a way to check your answer. How do we check our answer? Anybody remember?
We add all of those together, and
Very-
if it gets 180,
Very
then
good.
it's
So I'm adding
correct.
54 plus 95. Okay, my writing thing is really glitching now. Plus 95. Stop glitching, please. Plus 31. And yes, that does equal 180. Okay, good job, Mr. Pizza. All right, curly fries. Let's see it. Okay, Mr. Curly Fries. So, how do we solve number 8 and 9?
Okay. The scale factor is 12.
12, that is correct. So I'm going to write that down. Scale factor is 12, which means one of them is 12 times bigger. Okay, so what's the answer for x?
108.
What?
108.
You're right. Let me write this times 12 so it works. Okay, so x is 12 times bigger over there, which is 108. Good job. Okay, what about number 9?
The scale factor is 8.
Scale factor is 8. That's correct. And what is x?
X is 8.
Yeah, we need to divide 64 by 8, so x is equal to 8 also. All right, now I'm going to set up some equations, some proportion here. Okay, so 3 over 36, right, which is a 12th, right? There's a couple different ways you can set up these proportions. Is equal to question mark, 9 over question mark. Or 9 over x. And see, we would make equivalent fractions by, again, multiplying times. Wait. Did I do that wrong?
Yeah.
No, I didn't. Times 36 times 3. Mm-hmm.
That's what I said.
All right. Or I could do on this one, I would do 4 over what? What lines up with the 4 on the other triangle? Which is the same side as the 4 on the left
32.
triangle?
32.
32. So we're going to go 4 over 32 is equal to what? X over.
Camden, will you please?
What do you guys think? 4 over 32 is equal to x over.
4 over 8.
No.
4.
X. What does this side match with on the left?
64.
64. X over 64. And see, what you would do is you go times 2 and times 2. See? So same way to get the same answer. All right, different way to get the same answer. Thanks, Curly Fries. All right, pizza from Costco is back for more.
We love you.
Okay, how do we do? So did everybody write that down? Because I'm going to be checking it tomorrow. And so everybody needs to have all the work down. All right, since these are vertical angles, you said it, good job. Since these are vertical angles.
So all you have to do is just take 5x plus 1, and that'll equal 36. Since
You're right. How many people got that right? How many people got everything right? Wow. Okay. All right, but we're going to solve this now. Who's the superstar, Pizza?
What?
Who's the superstar?
Oh, the superstar. It's X.
That's right. Who's co-star?
5.
That's right. Who's the extra?
1.
Mhm. Minus 1 on both sides. 5x equals 35. Divide by 5. X is equal to 7. So right here, if we have 5 times 7 plus 1, that's going to make 36. Same thing on both angles.
That's how we check our answer.
Makes sense, makes sense. 36, for instance, was here. How would we do it? It wouldn't be equal. It would not be equal. Right, you would have to add these two things
And equal
to
180.
equal 180. So you need to know that. You need to know that.